Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at something really interesting for anyone wanting to learn piano or needing a portable option. This is the WOMELF 88 keys electronic piano keyboard, specifically the BK color model. It's marketed as a portable digital piano for beginners, and it comes with a bag and a sustain pedal, which is a nice bonus right out of the box. One of the first things highlighted about this electronic keyboard piano is that it's made from quality, environmentally friendly materials. But the real standout feature is its design focused on portability. It's described as lightweight, making it easy to carry around. The key innovation here is its foldable design. It can actually be folded in half. This is a game changer for space saving. When folded, it measures only about 70 centimeters and weighs just 4.2 kilograms. This means you can easily store it away in a small space or take it with you wherever you want to play, whether it's to a lesson, a friend's house, or just moving it from room to room. The idea is that you can play wherever inspiration strikes without needing a dedicated large space. Let's talk about the keys themselves. It features 88 standard keys, which is the full range you'd find on a traditional acoustic piano. The key structure is designed to simulate a semi-weighted feel. This is coupled with touch sensitivity, meaning the volume of the sound changes depending on how hard you press the keys. If you play softly, the sound is quiet, and if you press harder, the sound is louder. This touch-sensitive feature is really important, especially for beginners, as it allows you to practice dynamics and express emotion through your playing, making each note and piece of music feel more alive. Using this electronic piano is presented as a way to make the process of learning piano simpler and more interesting. Its features, like the full range of keys and touch sensitivity in a portable format, make it accessible. It's positioned as a perfect instrument for piano beginners and is considered a best choice for those just starting out or pursuing piano as a hobby. The inclusion of essential accessories like the sustain pedal and carrying bag adds to its appeal as a complete package for someone beginning their musical journey. Overall, it seems designed to offer a full piano experience in a highly convenient and portable form factor.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.